ZZ plant is a tropical perennial native to South Africa. Because of its ability to thrive in low light and less water, it became a popular houseplant. It has a unique looking leaf sets coming out of bulbous stalks. The younger leaves has light green color which turns to deep green upon maturity. Let's talk about how to grow this beautiful indoor plant. Beginning with a perfect soil mix is very important for ZZ plant. It has succulent-like stalks, so soil mix should be lightweight and porous, not heavy or soggy at all. I like to blend garden soil, coco peat, sand and little bit of leaf mold for my indoor plants. This blend drains very well, retains some moisture and provides food for a long time. My ZZ plant is sitting in a 4-inch plastic pot and it desperately needs a repotting. So I am gonna repot it in a 8-inch pot using same soil mix. While I repot, let's talk about other things like water requirements, fertilizer and pest management. As I previously said, ZZ plant stalks are like succulent, so little bit of water is enough to thrive. Just soak the soil with ample water and forget about it for 1 week. However, in hot and dry regions, it may need more frequent watering. To decide the dryness, press a finger into topsoil. If soil mix is perfectly moist, it will stick, and if dry, soil mix will not stick. ZZ plant doesn't need a lot of fertilizer to thrive, but regular feeding can certainly boost its health. I already added leaf mold in soil mix as natural source of nutrients. To provide additional nutrition, I will apply a layer of vermicompost or kitchen waste compost around the plant stalks once or twice a month. Pests and diseases rarely appear on this plant. If it happens, treat them with weekly sprays of organic pest repellent like neem oil. However, fungal diseases may appear in humid conditions. A solution of 1 gram baking soda diluted to 1 liter of water will solve the issues. Try to spray the solution all over the plant once a month for best result. Repotting is done. Now I will place my ZZ plant back into its usual spot where it receives almost 7 hours of bright indirect sunlight. In low light, ZZ plant does well too. However, leaves may be scorched if exposed to intense direct sun. ZZ plant adapts to its location very quickly and grows bushier if all the needs are fulfilled. For more interesting and informative videos on gardening escape, subscribe now and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching guys. Stay fit and happy gardening.